Why don't seniors take advantage of the free iPhone deals? They're afraid Apple will start charging them per byte. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on free iPhone for seniors. Tip 1. Start with basics. With little to no experience in technology, it's important for seniors to begin with basic iPhone features. Learn to lock and unlock the device, make and receive calls, send text messages and emails, and use the internet. Begin from this base and slowly extend to learning to use other applications. Tip 2. Utilize accessibility features. iPhones come inbuilt with accessibility features which are extremely beneficial for seniors. You can adjust the size of the text, have voiceover options, and make use of magnifications to make it easier to view the screen. Using these features can result in a better and more comfortable experience. Tip 3. Connect with loved ones. iPhone offers various ways to connect and speak with loved ones, such as FaceTime, iMessage, or WhatsApp. Seniors can stay in touch with their family members and friends using these options, thus keeping the feeling of loneliness at bay. Tip 4. Get familiar with Siri. Siri can be a great tool for elderly users. It's a digital assistant that responds to voice commands. Siri can make phone calls, send text messages, set reminders, and do other tasks, thereby offering a hands-free use of the iPhone. Tip 5. Install health apps. iPhone provides a plethora of health apps that can track vital stats, provide medication reminders, and help seniors understand their health better. For instance, the Apple Health app helps users keep track of their daily step count, sleep pattern, heart rate, etc. Tip 6. Use Maps for navigation. The Maps application can be a wonderful ally for seniors who are on the go. It offers easy-to-follow navigation with walking and driving routes, locations of interest, and real-time traffic updates. Tip 7. Check out the App Store. The App Store has a multitude of apps across various categories. Seniors can explore a wide range of interests such as hobbies, fitness, entertainment, or news, and download apps accordingly. Tip 8. Use privacy features. iPhones are renowned for their strong privacy features. Seniors should familiarize themselves with these settings to ensure their personal data is secure, prevent unwanted calls and texts, and avoid potential scams. Tip 9. Backup data using iCloud. iCloud offers a simple way to back up data including photos, messages, and apps. Seniors can benefit from regularly backing up their data to avoid any unfortunate losses. Tip 10. Attend free workshops. Many Apple stores host free workshops for beginners and seniors. These can provide valuable hands-on experience and help seniors become confident in navigating through their iPhones. Tip 11. Keep software up to date. Lastly, always make sure the iPhone software is up to date. Apple often releases updates that improve security features, bug fixes, new features, and general system enhancements. This will maintain the device's efficiency and functionality.